Hey, it's Locksmith. Okay, so this is that 2011 through 2017. We're going to use 45-degree offset. You can use either or. I like doing it this way. Depending on what tools you have, depends on how you can do the job. I'm just wanting to show you can do the tool with multiple jobs and different tools. You notice I went in, hooked it, lifted, we're in. Hey, thanks again for watching. Locksmith.